Okay, so my slope is going to be what? From left to right, how am I going? Up. So we write a graph, or we read a graph from left to right, just like you read a book. Left to right down the page, right? So from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's my equation? Y equals 5/4 x plus 4. And that's what we got. All right, number 11. What is my y-intercept? 0. Okay. What's another point I can use? 2, -1. So let's see. I'm going downhill, so I know that my slope is negative. You go down 1 and over how many? 2. So my equation is y equals -1/2 x, and I don't need to write a plus 0 because plus 0 doesn't mean anything. Right? Okay, on the back, I would like to do a little bit of a review with you. Okay? Find the slope. How do I find the slope of a line that goes through those 2 points? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I did that here, I would have 8 minus 9 over what? 8 minus 9, -4 has to come first, then minus 5. And if you went 9 minus 8, you would have to do 5 minus -4. What's 8 minus 9? -1. -4 minus 5? So what's my slope? Positive 1/9. Not too bad. We're just going to do 4 of these and then we'll be done. Okay? 14, -16, and 23. What's the slope of the line that goes between those 2 points? Well, 3 minus -16. What am I going to have to do there? It's going to turn into adding, isn't it? And then I have 20 minus 14. Well, I know 20 minus 14 is 6. 3 minus a -16, that's going to become a plus, and I have 19, don't I? That's ugly, but does it reduce? No. So it's just going to stay ugly. How about this one? 7, -5, and 3, -5. On top I have what? -5 minus -5 over 3 minus 7. Well, this is going to turn into a plus. What's -5 plus 5? Over -4. What's 0 over -4? 0. So what do I know about that line? The slope is 0, which means it's going to look like what? Nope, it's going to be horizontal. Slope of 0 is horizontal. And the last one I have for you. What goes on top? -7 minus -2 and 16 minus 16. Well, this becomes a plus. -7 plus 2 is -5 over 0. What does that mean? Remember the impossible pizza situation? That's an impossible pizza situation. 0 on the bottom is undefined. What does that tell me about that line? It is a vertical line. Okay. All right, that's all I have for you, so let me pass out your worksheet. Happy studying.